How to delete stories on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete your stories on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete stories on Facebook, just go ahead and open up your Facebook application here and you will see this type of interface where what you have to do is, if you want to delete your story that you've uploaded, select that story there, then just tap on the three dots option from the top right hand side. Then as soon as you've done that, you'll find this little trash icon that says delete photo. So all you have to do is actually just go ahead and then select that option called delete photo, and when you tap on delete photo, you can just tap on the delete photo from your story, and then just like that, your story will get successfully deleted. This way you can go ahead and then delete your story on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.